Okay, we've got us an older snapper model here. It's a 28-inch high back. It has a 13 horsepower Briggs Stratton IC engine in it. The most common oil leak they have tends to be this rubber grommet for the dipstick tube. All we have is 1/4 inch hex screw to remove. The dipstick tube will simply lift up and we'll replace that. The oil level is down here, so when we take it out, we're not going to have a mess. The grommets I bought from Amazon, and they happen to come in a 5-pack for like $8, maybe $9, and I don't know how long they'll last. This mower we bought used, we're just trying to get in running shape. We'll go ahead and set the camera up here and show you just how easy it is to swap this guy out. Okay, on this dipstick tube, all we have is a 1/4 inch screw holding it in. So just be careful when you lift it so you don't drip. Okay, we're just lifting the tube here. Put a rag on it to kind of catch that. It looks like it's threaded, and I have seen where some of them will try to thread them in. It actually is threaded, just like a coarse threaded bolt. But anyway, that popped right out. I'm going to change oil in this anyway, so I'm not overly concerned about getting anything in that oil, but you know, you still want to proceed with caution. The cost of lawnmowers nowadays is through the roof. It really pays to maintain them. So we are going to thread him in. Very nice. The threads are there. I don't know if this will show up or not, but there's actually a secondary ring in here. I don't know if that's a removable O-ring or not. I don't think it is. I think it's just made into the grommet, into the bushing. But you can see the lip there. And after you thread it in, it compresses this just about the right amount to put a pretty decent seal on that dipstick tube. After you change this out and you still notice a leak, check your dipstick tube, make sure there's no cracks in it. I'm going to wipe him off really good. Don't put no more dirt into the crankcase than you have to. A lot tighter fit, I can tell you that. The other one was, oh yes, that's a nice fit. The other one was just about, so we'll just kind of mash it down in there. I'm going to hold down on it just a little bit with my palm and just tighten it up. Easy fix. At least that's one thing Briggs did do. They put it out here, easy access, easy to get to, and they thread right in. So good on Briggs. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask them in the comment section. Work safe out there. Thanks for watching and have a good one.